Okay, so the idea that I'm going with here is, well, I don't like this motor. It is under power, doesn't produce enough power, and it's just rubbish for what I want to use it for. So instead, I want to replace it with this one here and retrofit it to the same gearbox, because I am quite happy with this gearbox with all the solid metal gears in here. And I'm going to make some spaces out of this steel rod to hold this motor in here at the right distance to meet up with this little gear here to then turn the rest of the gears. So I'm machining these little parts here. I'll see if I can get a little shave across here. There we go. That is satisfying as. And this is going to be the spacings for the little gear, for the gearbox. So I've done one already. So that's what it is here, with a little through hole. And that's just to space the motor out the right distance. Right, I've managed to get those little spaces in there. Get this, got this motor in here, which is a 20,000 RPM, 12 volt motor. Yet to check the amperage. I know it's definitely going to be substantially more than the small motor that was linked to this previously, and I've managed to get this retrofitted in here, so lining up these bolt holes through here and mainly lining up this gear with the pre-existing gear set, so that everything matches in together properly and works. So now to put the rest of it back together, and fingers crossed that the thing doesn't blow to pieces. So that's the gears all in there, with this larger motor retrofitted in there, and those little spaces that I've made up to hold that in place nicely. Almost looks like it was, made to fit. So you can see I'm at the end here now, and I've got it all put back together, and it's producing a substantial amount of power, because that's a 12 volt 21 watt globe, which works out to be about 1.9 amps, which is quite a reasonable amount given the size of this setup. Though I think I jinxed myself in one of the previous videos that I was hoping it doesn't blow to pieces. Well, shortly after this demonstration, the main gear actually stripped out, and yeah, so back to the drawing board.